Hey guys, Scotty with Miller Marine. Wanted to show you something pretty cool we picked up from our good guy at the Snap-on truck. We had a customer come in that was complaining about a fuel in his bills and everything, and there's no fuel in the bills now. It's just when he fills it up. So I was like, okay, well, let's get out our little camera here that we got and started to checked out the fill, and I started running in and saw a screw sitting there kind of next to it. Wasn't too sure. I was like, maybe it's not in it. And then we got closer to it. Evidence is that one of the screws, when they redid the boat to hold the console down, went through the fill. So that's what we're going to do now. We got to pull the fill out, possibly put a bigger hatch in the console, and put a new fill in. So that's what we got working on today. Majority of, and also a bunch of other stuff too. So we're also going to replace the gasket on his fuel cylinder too, because while we're in there it looked kind of sketchy. So I'll shoot you guys some more videos of this, but figured it'd be a good time to show us one of our new little toys we got here that actually works real well. So nice little camera, got a light on it. Yeah, so you can see anything.